Okay, guys, welcome back. It's week 4. It's going fast. Hopefully, everything is going well for you guys. By now, you should have sent me some questions for your other week's work. And remember to keep current on your weeks. Every homework assignment is due for the end of the week, as according to your syllabus. So make sure that you're turning stuff in on time. I don't accept late work. So good reminder to just kind of follow that syllabus as far as the procedures that we use in the class. So for this week, we're going to be looking at Chapter 4, answering the questions on Blackboard here. So if I scroll down on the page, you'll see again the questions down here at the bottom. And we have Chapter 4 questions. We're also looking to do a estimation activity, which I've given you directions here on how to do the estimate in ProDemand. And these are the questions that you're going to be using. Amount of tax that you have to charge a customer here in Maine. So gave you a website there to look at. And does an estimate have to include tax? And create an estimate for this Audi RS4. So it's not a complicated task, but I do want you to create an estimate and then take a snapshot of it, create a PDF, whichever way you can do it, and I want you to install it on this folder, which will be then graded for your gradebook. In addition to that, we're going to be looking at making resumes. So we're going to be looking at resume, cover letter, and thank you letter. And this is part of your portfolio, which you're going to use when you go out for your internship. So down here at the bottom, there is a guide. It has quizzes in it. Make sure you take the quizzes. Don't leave those blank because those are graded. That will go into your gradebook. So make sure you do those. And down here at the bottom of the page, portfolio prep. Pretty easy guide in there. It shows you how to use my SMCC and the resume template, along with the cover letter and thank you letter template. So use those to your advantage and read the information, understand what it's trying to have you do. A resume should not just be your name and address on a piece of paper, which I've had many students turn theirs in. Take a look at the example of the SMCC resume, which is in the PowerPoint presentation from Sharon Bannon. That's a pretty good example of what you as an automotive student should have in your resume. And remember, this is an ongoing thing that's going to, be updated as you go. You're going to have to do little updates to it. Your first initial one is probably not going to have a whole lot of information, but make sure you focus on the fact that you've had automotive safety class. Those kind of things will be really beneficial to you. And what I would do is potentially put down all of the classes that you'll be taking at SMCC as something you'll have a little bit of experience with by the point that you're ready to go to the internship. So at the least, you'll have steering, suspension, brakes, electrical, safety classes. And those are things you should be able to do then. So you can put that on your resume. All right, hopefully that's pretty clear. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email me. Good luck for the week, and I will see you then next week.